Hey YouTube, what's up? What's good? Welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys my take on the soft glam makeup trend that's going around. And before y'all say it, yes, I know I'm late, but I always show up. So that's all that matters in the end. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video, guys. Starting off with the eyes, I'm going in with my Carly Bible palette. And it is the only palette that I'm using today. But starting off with this brown shade right here, and I'm just applying that with a fluffy brush, and this is going to be our transition shade. Now, I've already primed my eyelids, but instead of using a brightening shade with a brightening concealer like I normally do, I just used a nude tone concealer so that my shadow has something to stick to and doesn't get patchy. But we're trying to keep this on the softer side, so yeah. The next shade we're going in with is the shade right next to it, which is the purple shade. And we're taking the same brush and applying that to our crease, but we're actually concentrating this. So we're gonna go in smaller circular motions just so that we can deepen it up a bit. And you don't want to rush this step because it's easy to get way too much product and it's easy to over blend. And that's not the look that I'm going for today. It's peach shimmer shade and a dense eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to pack this onto my lid. All right, and then I'm going back in with that purple shade and applying that back in my crease just to make up for any of the shadow that got lost in the sauce. And I'm just stippling it into my crease versus doing the circular motions, because then it's just gonna mix together and it's not gonna look as pretty as it does now. And now to prime my face, I'm just using my e.l.f. Putty Primer, and I'm blending this into my skin with my fingertips. And I'm just concentrating this on the areas where I feel like I need an extra boost of coverage. And for foundation, I'm using my Milani 2-in-1 foundation in the shade Tan. And I'm just applying this with a beauty sponge. Now this is one of my top 5 favorite drugstore foundations, but they advertise that this is for oily skin, but you guys, without a primer, literally it'll be pools of oil just sitting on my skin only hours after I apply this foundation. So I always make sure I wear a primer with it, so that I don't run into those kind of issues. I'm taking my Retouch and Erase Concealer by Milani and applying that underneath my eyes. And I'm only using a smidgen because a little of this goes a long way. And no matter how much product I use, these bags ain't going nowhere. So baby, I'm gonna embrace them. But I'm using this concealer because it gives a nice, healthy looking glow to my under eyes every time I use it. So I'm not sure if it's picking up on camera well, but I can definitely in person tell the difference between just blending it in with my sponge and blending it out with the brush first and then taking the sponge to clean it up. It gives you a much more clean and flawless look without compromising the product. So I'm going to take my sponge or take my brush and go over that. Technique is everything, y'all. It's not even just product, it's how you apply it as well. So just keep that in mind. I'm just setting my under eye concealer with my ColourPop setting powder in the banana shade. And I'm just blending this into my skin. And this is just gonna give that under eye highlight a little pop as well. Okay, and for bronzer, I'm taking my Too Faced Chocolate du Soleil on a contour brush, and I'm just going to warm up my face. I'm going to add blush, and I'm using my e.l.f. blush in the shade Berry Mary, or Mary Berry, Berry Mary. It's Berry Mary, y'all. With the angled blush brush, and I'm just going to apply this to the apples of my cheeks. To melt everything together, I'm going to go with my Makeup Revolution oil fixing spray. Oh my god, that tastes absolutely disgusting. And I'm taking the Kylie Bible palette and just using the first highlighter in the palette and applying that to my cheek. And then to line my lips, I'm taking my NYX lip liner in the shade Plum, and I'm just going to focus this. I'm just going to focus this on the outer corners of my lips and kind of bring it in a little bit. We're going to shade and contour. And leave it to me to forget to sharpen my pencil beforehand. And then to finish off this look, I'm taking my Milani lipstick in the shade Adorable, and then I'm just gonna pat that on there. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this soft layout makeup tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to like so that I know that you're enjoying the content that I'm posting, and go ahead and subscribe so that you never miss an upload from me. And if I forgot to mention any of the products that I used in this video, you can find a complete list of products on my website, which is just andreak.com. And that is it for today. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.